Welcome back to the TIIM tutorial video series. In this video, we will show you how to create a network item for your experiment, how the participants can view the network item, how the participant can fill in the response for a network item, and how to view and download your data metrics. A network item enables the participants to indicate the warmth of the item as a response. Let's go over an example. We're going to focus on the modules and items level. Start by opening your study. Click on Modules. Open your module and then go to Content Items. On the Add Module Item row, click on Network. Enter your question and optional description. Then, enter your question for the warm and cold bar and its label. The left label is the cold or blue color in the bar, while the red label is the warm or red color in the bar. Next, you can choose the quantity of orbits you would like to have in your item. This can range from 1 to 10. Optionally, if you decide to use this specific question again in the future, select Reuse Network Items. Then, press Save. Your network item is now saved in your module. When the participant has subscribed to the study and downloaded the TIIM application on their phone, they will be able to open the assigned intervention with its modules and items. A network item enables the participants to add a label identifying the item, indicate the warmth of the item, and then place it on one of the lines within the circle image as a response. Once the participant has finished the module, you will be able to see and download the responses, also known as the data metrics. Go to the metrics page. Here you will see an overview of the data of all the participants in your study. To filter your participants by either intervention or module, you can use the intervention and module drop-down fields. Select the module that has the network item. The module is shown as a yellow bar, and the items are organized just underneath the module. You can also see the length of time it took each participant to answer. To do this, check the Show Timings box, and a yellow box on the right of the item showing the time will appear. To see the network image response of the participant, click Show Image. You can also download this image in a PNG format by pressing Download Image. If you want to view this data in a spreadsheet, you may download the data by first clicking the Download button at the top of the screen and then clicking the Download blue button next to the intervention or module. It will automatically download the data as a CSV file on your device. In this video, we showed you how to create a network item for your experiment, how the participants can view the network item, how the participant can fill in the response for a network item, and how to view and download your data metrics. For more information, please visit our website. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.